Hi everyone, in today's webinar I will be showing you how to perform a drive in Autocad Civil 3D. And here is my project. It's open, you just have to open your model wherever it is, and there it is. So my first step would be, like, since I have too much data displaying, I will first turn off the points, and that I'll go back to my home ribbon, home, select home, I freeze. I want just to freeze these points. I select one, there we go, they're frozen, and then these three symbols, they're frozen. I think that's good. Then I'll first go through the model with you. In my model, what I have corridors and I have center lines as so far. Then the surface is also hidden, like the way I've turned off the points. I turned off the surface, that's why you can't view it. And in my model still I have 3 center lines. EG is the existing center line, then UP is underpass center line, then OP is the overpass center line. Preferably NM means all these center lines are in the same area, or they are covering the same project. Then I have the transition for the overpass, which is highlighted the way you see it. That is the transition to the overpass. Then this is the overpass above the box culvert, the area where there is the box culvert. This is where there is the box culvert. That is the box culvert. Then other corridors are U-shaped walls. U-shaped walls, they transition like that. Like the flyover, the U-shaped walls also have transition, where they start from and where they end to transition to the box culvert, then back to the U-shaped walls. For the region of this project, it's a project in the Kampala city, Uganda, middle of Kampala city of Uganda. So we shall start by extracting solids. That should be our first part. And how do we do that? We shall select, I'll select the corridor, and then it pops up another window on the ribbon which shows many things on it. And then my target is to go for extract solids, so I'll click on extract solids. Then something pops up on my ribbon down, and it says select corridor regions to export as solids, station range within polygon or all regions. And I want to extract all regions, everything which is in that corridor. So I'll select all regions, then another window pops up. Then I'll try to go through, and this window, you can, if you have time, you can go through it. Then I go next, maybe the major case would be here, output destination options, insert into where would you like these solids to go. Insert into the current drawing, add to an existing drawing, add to a new drawing. I want to insert into the current drawing because I'm going to use this very drawing to perform the drive. So I will say extract solids. Yeah, it might take some time because it's a stretch. It is from 760 to 2 plus something, 2 plus 140. Yeah, so it may take some time to pop up, like when it's done. As we wait on, you can follow me on LinkedIn at PeterMsoke. You can follow me at Twitter, PeterMsoke. Yeah, it's done. We can continue. I will press the escape button to go out of that region. Then I'll extract other regions. Like I'll start with the flyover above the underpass. I'll select it. There we go. We still go back to extract solids and say all regions. It pops up, extract solids. I've taken you through the steps how to do this, so I don't need to repeat it over and again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extract all these respectively. So I'll say extract solids. Since I've not escaped from the other, it might not work, so I say extract solids, all regions, extract solids. I'll go to the next region I want to extract solids, all regions, extract solids. It's done. Then I'll go to the next one, extract solids, all regions, extract solids. Next, let me try to be a little bit faster. You should note that there are various ways of extracting these solids, but for us to catch up and to be on the same page, this is the method I preferred and you would prefer to use to extract these solids. Unless or otherwise, you try to improve on your skills. So this is the part of the underpass, the box culvert format underpass. It's in a form of a box culvert. It will take also some time. This will depend on the efficiency of your machine. I mean the components of your machines which make up your machine to perform. So then I'll select this one. These are the U-shaped walls still. I think the other side I never told you that they are the U-shaped walls. So I'll extract those. I'll extract still those. Let me see. Let's check this. Extract solids. You see, it has not performed the next region because I never pressed the escape button. So I'll select this, extract solids, and I say all regions, extract solids. Then I'll select this, say extract solids. I'll say all regions. I'll then go to extract solids. Okay, it's a repeating procedure. So let us continue by voice when I'm done doing this. Yeah, for now it's done. There we go, the extraction is done. Okay, I still have other corridors in my model, but this is an excavation ditch whereby there is no need. So what I'm going to do for now, I'll turn off, I'll freeze. Sorry for using turn off. I know you may look for it in the model and you don't find it. I'll freeze all the corridors since I've extracted the solids out of them, so I no longer need to see the corridors. So I'll go back to my home button, I go to freeze, I select any of the corridors. There you go, I've frozen all the corridors. I've kept my center line. Anyway, in my model I have other things. You see, these are the cross sections, these are the cross sections, these are the materials. Maybe that is for the underpass. This is still the underpass. Then maybe I can show you, these are the shaped walls, even though I had not configured them very well, but the materials are there. Still U-shaped walls. It depends on the transition, because I told you this flyover part has a transition. You see now this part contains that part of the flyover, that section of the flyover with the shaped walls. Here, then there. I think that's enough. You can use that. Still, these are cross sections. I tried to put on the elevations, but I had not finished them very well since I changed the project. There was transition into, it's CAD life. Okay, next what we're going to do, we're going to perform our drive on our corridor.